Do you know the significance of the 8th August day? It's a date infused with cosmic energy, popularly known as the Lion's Gateway portal. It is a powerful astrological and spiritual event where the energies of the universe are aligned to create an extraordinary gateway for manifestation. On the Lion's Gateway portal day, the star Sirius aligns with Sun and the Earth, amplifying the power of spiritual energy. This alignment opens a gateway to higher consciousness. It is a moment of immense potential for manifesting your dreams and desires. From ancient times, it has been believed that if you manifest your desires effectively on this day, the universe will help to turn your dreams into reality. Hi everyone, myself Debalina Chatterjee, mind trainer and life coach, and I am thrilled to invite you to a transformative event on this powerful day. Join me on 8th August at 8 p.m. for a special manifestation workshop. On this day, I am going to guide you on how to manifest your dreams on this auspicious day, ensuring that you are going to tap into this immense power of this cosmic energy. This workshop is going to decide whether you are looking to attract abundance, love, success, and health. This workshop is designed to empower you with all the tools and techniques to make it happen. And you know the best part? The course fees is only 99 rupees. So check out the link given in the description box to know more about this event and make you register in this event. Let's make this Lion's Gateway Portal Day a turning point in our lives. So eagerly waiting to see you in the workshop. Bye.